Top 5 Best Soldering Station. Number 5. X-TRONIX 5040XR3 Soldering System. Our second choice for the best soldering station is the X-TRONIX 5040XR3. Let's be clear. If you're just looking for good, reliable, featured soldering station, go back to our number 1 choice. The 5040XR3 is a beast of a station that offers some amazing features, but it might also break your bank account tipping in at just under $250. What we loved. Lots of features. Plug and play. Assortment of tips and nozzles. Magnifying glass included. Fantastic warranty. What could be better? Expensive. Did we say expensive? Coming in number 4. Weller YIHUA Na Soldering Station. Our first choice for the best soldering station in 2022 is still the Weller YIHUA Na. It's still not perfect, but it fits that price-performance range we look for our number 1 spot. Perfect costs significantly more. It's got all the right features and specifications and won't break the bank. The Weller YIHUA Na is a fantastic soldering station. I've been using the previous generation of this station for going on 3 years and it's served me very well. This new version has some pretty serious upgrades. It's got a much larger backlit LCD screen, and the overall form factor of the case has been significantly reduced in size. The station has a powerful 70-watt specification to make keeping up with heat demand more than acceptable. It has an intelligent standby mode to save you some electricity when your solder joints take a little longer than you'd want but not long enough to turn the iron off. The iron is affordable, well-built and highly reliable. In fact, there's only one thing we don't like about this soldering station. It doesn't have a replaceable fuse, or a fuse at all as far as we can tell. So if any shorts or power spikes come along, there is nothing to protect the boards from damage. What we loved. 70-watt capable. Large screen. Well constructed. Price right. Great warranty. What could be better? Lack of a replaceable fuse. No preset buttons. Coming in number 3. YIHUA 853D to a USB SMD. YIHUA's hot air rework and soldering station offers some automatic features that make it worth the upgrade price. For digital gauges show the hot air gun's temperature, the soldering iron's temperature, the voltage in use, and the amps the machine is drawing. While this can get confusing, it allows the user to fine-tune the settings for excellent results. The machine's 75-watt soldering iron heats to temperatures between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot air gun produces temperatures between 212 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. YIHUA's 853D2A features automatic temperature readings and maintains its temperature, so the user can move quickly between joints without losing time. Safety shutoffs automatically engage if the fan stops running during use. It comes with a desoldering pump, swappable tips for both iron and fan, and a built-in voltmeter. Pros includes hot air gun and soldering iron. 4 digital displays for dialed soldering. Power 75-watt iron. Automatic readings and adjustments for quick work. Built-in voltmeter. Cons gauges can get confusing. Coming in number 2. YIHUA 2-in-1 Soldering Iron Hot Air. Anyone thinking of getting into a rework project should equip themselves with a top-notch hot air rework station. A 75-watt soldering iron, it reaches temperatures between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the air gun has a range of 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. A safety shutoff immediately shuts the air gun down when it's in the holder. The device includes a tip cleaning station as well. Just keep in mind that this large rework station will require some desk space. Pros includes hot air gun and soldering iron. Heavy-duty output for soldering several joints in a row. Automatic safety shutoff. Cons takes up quite a bit of desk space. Coming in number 1. Hakko Digital Soldering Station. For an all-around, can-do soldering station, DIY technicians should check out Hakko's FX888D23BY Digital Solder Station. This 70-watt contact-style soldering station features a wide range of temperatures, plenty of wattage, and a good value. A digital display allows users to dial in the perfect temperature. Replaceable tips mean users can swap out burnt tips and continue using this tool for years to come. A tip cleaning station allows for cleaning off the tip of the iron to maintain the best possible solder joints, free of excessive oxidation and flux. One note: the main station and the cleaning station are separate, which can get confusing and take up a bit of space. Pros: high 70-watt output, wide temperature range, built-in cleaning station, digital display for accurate heating. Cons: separate cleaning station can be confusing.